Hi, I'm Jessica and welcome to today's craft time. Today we will be making an experiment. We will be making Puffy Sidewalk Paint. For today you will need a 1 gallon Ziploc bag, a spatula or something to mix with, flour, shaving cream, food coloring, a squirt bottle, 1 cup of water, and a measuring cup of 1 cup. First, you're gonna take your Ziploc bag and you're gonna measure a 1 cup of flour and you're gonna put it into your Ziploc bag. Next, you'll take your 1 cup of water and you'll pour it into your bag. Then you'll take your spatula or mixing spoon and you're gonna mix the water and flour together until you can get as many of the clumps out as you can. Once you've got that mixed, you're gonna take your shaving cream and you're gonna roughly measure 1/2 cup of shaving cream. Then you'll take your food coloring and you'll put 10 drops of your food coloring into the bag. I'm going to make green, so I'm mixing 10 drops of yellow and 10 drops of blue. Next, you're gonna seal your bag and you're gonna mix it. Once you've got your mixture mixed, you're gonna take the corner of your bag and you're gonna cut a very small hole in the corner. You don't wanna make it too big, otherwise it'll make a mess whenever you're trying to get your mixture into your squirt bottle. So now you're gonna take your squirt bottle and you're gonna take your mixture and you're gonna squeeze the contents inside your bottle.